Hey, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you want to increase staff morale with employee engagement strategies, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Stick around to the end of the video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can put into use immediately. Today's tip: express your gratitude. Employees who believe their managers appreciate their work have an improved sense of worth to the organization. They also work harder and they contribute more to the bottom line. Now, if you're thinking, why should I thank my staff? Isn't that what a paycheck's for? You're missing the point. Employees who don't feel appreciated will work just hard enough not to get fired because you're probably paying them exactly enough so that they don't quit. It's an even balance. If you want your employees to give you their blood, their sweat, their tears, thank them when they do a good job. So how do you do it? Pay attention to those steady eddies, the people who are not necessarily your rock stars, nor are they your problem children. They just show up, do the work, and go home. By acknowledging Eddie's efforts, you may inspire him or her to do even better. Be specific. What gets recognized gets repeated. So let your employees know exactly what they did to warrant your praise. And finally, put it in writing. When you say thank you, you create a nice memory. When you write it down, you create a treasure. Give your employees tangible evidence of a job well done. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below. See you on the site.